This experience so far, and we're really only at the beginning, has been incredibly impactful and influential on what mahi I'm gonna produce, not only for the upcoming exhibition, but for my life. I think that so far I feel changed, and I think it's going to have a long-term impact on the kind of visuals I put out. That exchange between the paintbrush in my hand is kind of next level for me. It's like the next level of this reality for me. It's a way to respond to what I see, what I feel, what I hear, and what I'm taught. And it's a way of climbing toward something clear, like clarity, and a way of centering myself and pulling me back, pulling me in, and connecting with te ao. Yeah.
I guess it's like a connection that has always been there.
Yeah.
Just makes me feel like I can do anything.
See if it looks so interesting.
Well, I kind of like that.
And it's got the flow, just like that.
Never ever have I done this before, but I know it's got a cool colour, so see how it goes.
Right now it's just like a tutu and like a draft, not a draft, like flexing, exercising my hand and getting a feel for like the medium.
So what's going to happen is that we're going to create a poem together before we jump into some individual writing. So what I need from you is the 5 senses.
Once upon a time, a pie cost $2.50. Now everything at the dairy is so dear. Pie cost $6. Are you joking? So I'll not shop there again. Instead I'll buy my pies in the land of Manai's poems. Where the pies are lekker.
I'm learning so much and I'm so grateful to be here, like just beyond grateful, beyond lucky, like yeah, love being there. It's amazing, yeah.